Hi, I'm Sam Kennedy. I'm the inventor of the new, exciting, original bird fishing lure. Yeah, you've heard your frogs, you've heard your rats, but today we are fishing the bird, and we're at Pinto Lake, California in the late fall, and we got a bluebird sky, full moon. Normally we have the fog here in Watsonville in the mornings, but today we don't have any fog at all. I'd like to show you here a lure I've been working on a couple years ago. It's basically a hollow body topwater lure, and I've been trying to make a little bird out of it by putting wings on it. And these are some of my earlier prototypes that really all didn't work all that well. I found out later that a longer, slender body with the wings attached give it better action and better visibility, look-alike of a distressed bird in the water. It's a hollow body bait. I make 3 models. I make a blackbird model, which is the black and red. I make a swallow, which is the little swallow here that you see is more of a white-chested bird with some black detail on it. And then Mikey behind us today will be using a gray and black and white bird today. And the theory would be to throw it in deep into the cover and mimic a distressed bird, and then have the big giant largemouth come up and eat it. And they want to kill it. They want to kill this thing. And so a lot of guys come out here and fish worms, spinner baits, and have success with that. But I've been fishing for 30 years, since I was 15 years old, and this summer at this lake I caught my biggest bag in the history of my life on this lure right here. 22-pound sack, 5-fish, largemouth. So today we got the cameras today. We're going to show you how to use the bird today, and then hopefully in the future you'll all be able to have a bird and you'll be able to catch the big lunkers like we're going to do this morning.
Along the river, in the sand, when the city is done to pray, I hear your voice so fine from another land. I've got fear for the city, 'cause I know that right after me, so fast, like a hurricane, and my heart, it's waiting for you. So bad, so along the river, I wrote this song, and today, she is mine.
All those is possible. That's where the exercise goes. And no man has gone. Oh, that's a freaking slap. You guys need to just quit eating my bird, okay? My bird is an experiment. It's an experiment. You're not edible.
That one too.
It's not. Hey, I understand. I'll help you. Give me, open up.
Woo. And my heart, it's waiting for you. So bad, so bad, so bad.
I'll tell you the most important thing. I really love about this lure. And it's fun to fish. Even when the fish ain't biting, just seeing this thing on the surface, doing its thing, looks so real. And you're like just hanging on, you know, even when they're not biting. I'd rather fish a bird when the fish ain't biting. It's just the anticipation, being able to visually see your lure, to visually see the strike. I don't think there's any fishing out there that's better than fishing topwater birds. It's awesome. I'm going to get you all one. I'm going to have a whole bunch made up, and you're all going to experience the bird.
So bad, so bad, so bad, so bad, so bad, so bad. Along the river, and today the city's mine. As a lover,